We'll guide you through how to connect VS Code to Python. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make sure you already have the VS Code software properly installed on your personal computer system. After verifying that requirement, carefully open your VS Code application. Once VS Code is completely open, navigate directly to the left sidebar and firmly click on the extensions icon, which visually looks exactly like 4 small detached squares. Next, precisely type Python into the search bar located right at the absolute top of that open panel. Take time to thoroughly look through the generated search results to find the official Python extension that is published directly by Microsoft. Confidently click the prominent blue Install button located right next to the extension name. If Python is not already installed on your PC, this action will immediately trigger a helpful prompt explicitly asking you to install Python and UV. Firmly click Install on that specific prompt and patiently wait for the underlying installation process to completely finish. Once the entire progress is absolutely done, completely restart your VS Code application window to successfully apply the new system changes. After securely opening the VS Code workspace once again, creatively create a completely new simple Python file. You might immediately see a brand new system pop-up strongly prompting you to safely install Python specifically for the current active workspace. Clearly press Install Python directly on that newly appeared pop-up menu and wait for the entire final system setup to successfully finish. After completing that specific step, smoothly choose the exact primary Python interpreter that you actively want to effectively use today. For this clear instructional example, I will precisely select the highly recommended option provided directly by VS Code. Inside your completely new Python document, such as main.py, accurately type a very simple test code like a standard print statement. Neatly save your new code changes by simultaneously pressing the standard Ctrl and S key combination directly on your computer keyboard. Finally, actively look for the prominent Run button, which visually looks exactly like a standard play icon, securely located in the absolute top right corner of the active text editor, and simply click it. A standard system terminal panel will automatically open at the absolute bottom of your screen, and you will immediately see your completely new Python code effectively executed perfectly successfully.